The king is back. Yeah. Chat all over here. Pull that down. Push this over. Here. Let Uncle 99% decide. Let Uncle 99% decide. That is hilarious. All right, yeah, 41's in the chat, guys. Who can hear me? What up, what up, what up? What up, Louis? What up, Ryan? Hoodie, Daremeister, Salva, Alejandro, Louis, Jacko was good. Perez, Mercy, welcome back. Xander, my boy. Teresa, welcome. Good to see you. Triton, always in the chat. Good to see you, brother. 41s, True Money. My boy Miguel is back. Get busy. Sheesh, you got my boy Carlos in the chat. Was good. Hoodie Red, already seen you, bro. Good to see you. Mr. Cypher, my guy. Cannot wait to see what, bro, you're next up. Who else we got? T-Dog. Hey, yo. What's up, G? Good to see you. Good to see you. My boy. Boss meeting. And my boy NLT Matt. Matt, I know you're usually here, but you've also been a little quiet, bro. Like, where you go MIA? Where you been, bro? You want to talk to you. My boy Matt. All right, guys. NASDAQ looks pretty good today. Can't lie. NASDAQ and US 30, both of them. Shit. All right. Live accounts open. Let's make some fucking money. 41s. Germany is here. Let's go. Fuck all that bullshit. Like that name. Pretty Talk by Pretty Doc. What's up? Get busy. What's good? When does London stream usually get started PST? Around 11 p.m. PST. Hey, well, at least you're still tapped in, bro. We back. You can't get knocked down. Get knocked down 9 times, get up 10. Come on now. Hanyel, what's good, bro? I haven't seen you in a minute. Actually, that's not true. I think I just saw you. No, Alani was good. All right, guys. Hourly open in 1 minute, guys. Let me get my broker open. Get that broker open. I'll put my story too. That'd be funny. All right, really want. Hilarious. All right, we here. We back. And the podcast gonna be fire. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie. The podcast I did with Raul was so good that the only reason we stopped it was because the freaking studio was like, is he gonna shut up? I swear. Guys, these shorts of these lows are kind of good. Oh, the candles still are big. Like, what? 85, 80? Low volume, but we definitely have to like get some sort of little push out of here. No liquidity's been taken against trend. Maybe we can wait for a slight retracement to go short, guys. But going to the hourly, it's just that like yes, we've trended up bullish, but this is a retracement to potentially pull back and go lower. We're creating a bigger top wick right now. So basically, guys, I'm just waiting to see if we can take some sort of liquidity. Let's actually go to M1. I just want to see some sort of liquidity be taken any direction. Take out this minor high on the 1 minute. Anything. Anything, does I literally just took the trend. Oh, nice. You just got in the sells, Carlos? Early buyers getting in. Early buyers getting in. How many people we got here? 115 guys. Hit the like button. How many likes we got? 26. All right, nice top, guys. We got to think that this is the new hourly open, so we have a whole top wick to play off of. It has a minor bottom wick, but I would say there's no place in here that I was really looking for buys off 15 all the way down to the 5, guys. There's no levels of demand. Kind of maybe a FEG on that 15, but really. What you grubbing on? My girl brought me some like this shit, like, and like for some reason too early for all that meat. Pause. All right, so I wasn't really looking at the buys at all, but let's just, we're scalpers. Let's just see if I were to take buys. Look at this. 31. I don't know. Oh, but look at that 4 hour. You really think the 4 hour is not going to wick though here? Hmm. Oh, that was US 32. Wow, I'm hilarious. For some reason I thought that. Yeesh. Yeah, bigger. See, the thing that I don't like about NASDAQ as much as US 30 is US 30 took some more liquidity to the downside, or am I tripping? Oh, we pumped that. I'd say the pump started. Wow. Really? Let's see if maybe it's up here. Wait for the first 5 minute closure, guys. You have the first 5 minute closure in like 1 minute. Let me get my broker open for those who are trying to get a little risky on this time Tuesday. Hey. Oh, and then also mentorship hit the Discord. I gotta get on that. Oh. See if we can get a see if we can get a little bit of a pullback. Got out quick scalp. Good shit. You guys think, chat, we playing this slight retracement? How many 60 points on NASDAQ? Solid like on US 30. See if we can get any sort of pullback. We're taking liquidity to the upside. That's the only thing I don't like is that like I literally talked about us taking liquidity to the upside to continue lower. We're trying to buy it here. Brain and click in. Wait for discount. US 30 or NAS. I'm looking at both. I haven't gone into either. Both of them are pumping. It's just that I said that like because we're bearish, I wanted to see us maybe take out these highs to go low. So if I buy at these highs and it takes me out, that would be a huge I told you so. To myself. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we got a long session. We got a long session. You know? We got a long session. So don't think because we're not taking this first trade that we're not taking trades, guys. literally the market, just started 6 minutes ago. Locked in, my boy Steve in the chat, bro. Teleporting. Where am I now? Where am I? Catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Guys, I have my broker open. Like, I'm willing to, I'm going ham. Ugh. All right, guys. So look over here. We are starting to take out this high that I was talking about at the beginning on NASDAQ, on seeing if we can take some liquidity to the upside to shift, because this could just still be an hourly top wick. Do I think so? I guess we'll have to see. But even if I were to buy, I'd want to see us to retrace and show that we're not going to go lower. If we can come here and then like reject here, then I would take the break. But I don't know. For some reason, I'm not a big fan. Oh my God. Hourly. Pump, pump, pump it up. What's your favorite movie? I don't really have one off the top of my head. I'll think about it. Everyone in the chat, what's your guys' favorite movie? Put me on some game. Hey, 141 here. 41's in the chat. 41s, 41s, 41s. Big Short. Was it the Big Short? Didn't see that coming. The Wolf of Wall Street. Oh my God. No, I'm joking. I got a bunch of traders in the chat telling me. Finding Nemo. They're trying to find Nemo, but I need Mo bread. You know what I'm saying? Saving Private Ryan, goated. Look at that rejection, guys. We would be in fucking drawdown pissed off right now. Bars, what's up? Lewis, come jump in the Discord. Or are you already here? No, what's up, Alex? Guys, look at that high. So if we would have been in these buys, like I said, this is why I talk about it. A lot of people try to trade against the trend and will get faked out because they don't really understand that like this could just be fueling the move lower. They're trying to find Nemo, but I need Mo bread. Hey, oh, lifetime. With this, so cool off it now, guys. Obviously, I'm not in it. I would let you guys know. Waiting for some sort of confirmation. My thing is this, guys. Like, I do wait for. Are we looking at long or shorts? So going into the morning, I was looking at shorts. Now that we have like some strong buy volume, I'm not opposed to buys, but I don't want to buy high here. So what would make me want to buy is that now that we've broken structure, to make sure this isn't just a liquidity grab to continue lower, I want us to come and see if we can like retrace a little bit and hold. And if we can re-break, then I might give it a chance. But this could just be a move up, gain some fucking buyers, take the liquidity, and move lower. So, you know what I'm saying? Do you guys understand that? Put 41s in the chat if you guys get that. What about the golden zone? That's such a good fact. Well, that's what I was looking at this morning, but go out to the hourly. So Jacko's right, guys. When it comes out to the hourly, like if you were to fib this up, you could argue that we're still in the fib retracement golden zone of this bullish leg. But I still just think that we've been so bearish every time we've led to some sort of pull up. We're just taking liquidity to fuel the move lower. So I just don't want this to be a lower high and us try and get faked out, right? I don't know. Like I hope you guys know that like we're basically trying to call the bottom of the market. We're basically trying to say like this is the lowest it's gonna go. Instead of being like, let me just continue to wait. So like if anything, like I don't want to fib this up, see if we can retrace into the fib level of this inner little thing here. We can go. Yeah, but it broke the hourly trend, but like I don't really think so. Because if you think about it, what do I call these levels? Levels of liquidity. Here, up here. These are where orders are placed. People who sold all right here. If you sold right here, where's your stop loss? Up here, or maybe in this fucking gap, somewhere in here. So I don't want like this to be coming up, taking all this liquidity to then just move lower. Which indicators I brought the 3 SMA plot? So I use these smooth moving averages. I'm a fan of them. I like them. Um, what is this? NASDAQ US. All right, guys, 15-minute in 3 minutes. We got the 15-minute in 3 minutes. Let's see on this new 15-minute if we can open up with a bottom wick, and we'll get in for the top. Like I said, guys, I'm scalper, so like ideally I want to take the sells, but I'll give the buys a chance. You know, I'm not just gonna go the whole session sitting here. So actually, let's go back to here. I'll take this out. I doesn't. I like the retracement. 15. We should take out this high again. Damn, another liquidity taken to the upside. NQ rejecting weekly open. Oh my god. US 30 and NASDAQ buys, both of them. Both of them looking good. Or the SMA, yeah. I don't really talk about my smooth moving averages too much, guys, because I don't think you guys need them. I've used the same smooth moving averages since 2021. So I think that my eyes are pretty adjusted to it and everything, but I can stay. Not opposed to these guys. Fuck. Little pullback. Quick scout. What is this? US 30? How many points of a stop loss? Let you guys know. We can break through with volume, guys. Come on. Give it to me. All right, broker's open. Waiting on it. You guys know. All right, let's run it. Let's run it, chat. I took buys at the break of this little 1 minute high. I'm not going to miss out on it. See what we can do. I'm hoping we get a big enough push that we can put stops to break even for the 15-minute open, but we'll see. This is US 30. I think NASDAQ is just as good, but I don't know. Definitely not a trade I'm used to. I want to see liquidity taken before it, but we have come down, kept respecting. It looks like we want to move a little higher before lower, so I'm in for this push. You guys can see load in. Same broker every time. Same account you guys always see. Every time. Just to, just let you guys know I am in. Trying to reject, I don't like it. Oh, but that was the 15-minute. Perfect. That was the 15-minute. Let me go back here. All right, break that high, please. All right, guys, I'm up like 400. Definitely looking for this push. What is that? Definitely looking for the push on the 15, guys. $200 back to break even. That's the volume we don't want. Let's take the 15. Guys, you might get kicked on this. 15-minute. We want the 15-minute to flip. Like I said, why do we make a top look in the bottom? Like, go. We're holding the MA. We'll see if we can hold. We have kind of tight stops, but we'll see. Definitely not the volume we want coming in. Think about how like we came up, started to consolidate, and now we're having this big bear candle. Hopefully, it's just the volume's just pumping in. We're creating a bottom wick to continue higher. We can re-break these. Yeah, if you guys think about this, we've now come down, and like if you were to fib up this leg right here, you guys know how I always do this. Yeah. Right here. I guess we tapped into it. I thought we might have haven't tapped into it yet, but we did a pullback. We took out those lows. We now take out these highs. We should get a little fly. I'm up 640, guys. $640. When I get up to like 700 or 800, I'm gonna close half. All right, guys. Boom. We're up 750. Oh, back on the 650. 687. Come on. Get some W's in the chat, or just is it still early? Well, now we're rejecting. Oh shit. Oh my god. What is happening? Hold on, chat. I'm gonna pull it here at break even. Oh wait, I'm in profit again. Now I'm back there. Oh my god. I'm not pulling profit, chat. Wait, hold on. All right, guys. Stops break even. Go stops to break even right here. You can get this push. Fly. Go. Still in. Go, 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 go. If it reverses, I'm out. If it reverses from here, chat, I'm out. I have my stops at break even. So if it reverses at all, I'm out. Because I don't like this volume. Easy to just wipe down and wipe this out. Okay, boom. All right, guys, I'm going to close half here. Because I do want some profits. Half here. Everyone close half. Close half of these highs and letting the rest run break even. Boom. All right, just close half. Modify. My stops are at break even. Just close half. I'm still up 400. Let's see if we can break these highs and continue. I do not like that one candle, guys. So you guys can see. I'm gonna hold my phone up too so you can see because my stops are at break even. So we're either gonna fly or you're gonna see it come back and hit me at break even. I don't care. I'm super transparent with you guys. You guys will always see what I'm doing on my phone. I'll go over to history. Today, one trade already closed. You could see how much I closed for. $385. 385, and then we still have the rest running here. Right here. I didn't, I definitely wanted to get some profits out, not let it all come hit me. So hopefully we can continue to break these highs. Definitely stops to break even though, chat. I am definitely stops to break even. W's. Can we get some W's in the chat? You guys are making some money. I'm not gonna lie, I almost pulled that break even. I'm glad I let it hang out for a second, guys. Just a wick. Just a wick. More W's. Keep spamming them. Keep spamming them. Over risked a bit, but I closed half so far. W's in the chat. Still got about half the position running. Going for here. 50-point play. W's in the chat, guys. Stop missing out on all the sauce. This is free money you could be making if you literally just clicked the link and came and took time to come watch. I come here and teach you guys for free. But W's in the chat. Shout out everyone who was here, and let's go. Thank you guys. Another W day. Well, guess what, guys? I'm not done. So for those who think I'm just taking one trade and leaving, I'm sorry. You fucking can't get rid of me. Literally can't get rid of me. All right, guys. I'm up 600 on the second position too. Let's go. Come on, hit that TP smash. Let's go. W's in the chat. Spam them faster. More. I know I just asked for them, but I want more now. We up, chat. We have 700 on half the position. We would be up on it. Go. More W's. Damn. Close out half the position up here. We did hit TP. W's in the chat. Guys, stop missing out on all this sauce. You literally could be here. This could be the free money in your account if you literally just click the free link and came along. But still sleeping on us. But W's in the chat. Shout out everyone who did come. And let's see if we can get a little TP too. Let's go. Let's go, chat. In it for a lifetime. So lock the door. We got more upside. All we see is a blurry screen. Guys, is my screen blurry? Is the stream locked out or something? Why is it loading? Yeah, we good? Got a little upper decky and a 50 point I'm locked in. Not blurry, you win in a 4K. Tell them, oh, let's go. Guys, we're flying. We're still in this bitch. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Guys, we're up 1,200. Flying. Come on. Same account you guys always see me on. Over and over and over again. How much we up, chat? I can't even read. You guys tell me. You guys tell me what that says. All right, chat. I'm closing more partials here. I'm up 1,200. I'm gonna close like 600 of it. Close point. Yeah, boom. Easy. Easy. All right, guys. Partials closed out here at the top, right about here. So that's where I took my second partials at. TP2 was smashed, or actually just to the T, but let's fucking go. What's the lot size? I did a 0.3. I ended up closing. I've closed 0.22 so far, so I have 0.08 still running. So 0.08 still running. TOPSTEP's a scam? I thought, like, I heard that was one of the best ones. If you a TOPSTEP a scam, then I've never been to Dubai. If TOPSTEP a scam, then I've never been to Dubai. Made 1K this morning, so I'm done for the day. I'm just watching because Luca is awesome. Let's go. Appreciate that, Jacob. Oh, yeah. Are you able to close points on a singular trade? Oh, so I'm I mean, I can show you guys. It's pretty easy. Like, so like let's say like my whole position, I was in a. Let me show you real quick. So my whole position. I was in a. My whole position, I was in a 0.03. If you click on it and press close position, at the top here, it'll show you how many lots in your trade is right here. You could go in and then change this number to how much you want to close. So if I was in 0.3, I could go in and close like 0.1 of it and still leave the other 0.2 going. So that's what I mean by I've closed partial. So I closed, yeah, guys, I've already closed $877 now, and I still have $600 running. Where's Steve? Is Steve still in the chat? Steve, what did I tell you? What did I fucking tell you? This is what we do in the boss meetings. All right, time for my tea. Oh my god. What's your average risk to reward, Luca? I mean, truthfully, my average risk rewards are 1 to 3s. Have I been holding to 1 to 3s lately? Not really. Reason being is I've been able to find small stop losses on. Actually, I guess it's not the risk reward thing. It's just like the money I've been making with indices. It moves so fast that like you guys got to understand that the reason like when I see moves like this, chat, I close partials because I understand price has to fluctuate. We got to come up. We definitely have to pull back down before going higher. So why would I stay in and just, you know what I'm saying? That's why I like closing partials. You the man, broski. Awesome. Thank you, Triton. Thank you for always being here, Triton. You the man. I got a 100K account and not sure about these quick scalps and not sure about lot for these quick scalps. What prop firm and I will help you, Shaz. Who here doesn't know? Who here? Put a 41 in the chat if you do not know how to calculate indices, and I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Wait, Moses. I said, where's Steve? I said, Steve, I told you, like, all we do here is make money. I just give it out to free. All you gotta do is show up. Cook Luca. JP Trades. What's up, G? How are you, bro? You and Emmett gonna be on Mama and Alex very soon. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. One thing too, guys, if we re-break these highs, you guys can trail your stops into the lows we've created too. Chat, one thing also that I'm kind of proud of myself for about this trade is not being too obsessed with a bias. You know, I came into the morning really wanting to short NASDAQ, but I didn't hold on to my bias because I would have missed out on this trade. Just attend class. That's it. just fucking show up. Shut up. Shut up and show up. Put it in your mouth. No, just shut up. Fuck, too good. W call. Guys, it's just the beginning, too. I'm down to take more trades. Just nothing's presenting itself now. I'll let you guys know. Should we scale in buys above the highs or something? Tell Mama Cow to get this. That'd be dope. Would be cool. One of these days. What time frame are you on? I'm on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute. This is the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. I got an high too, chat. I usually do not buy this high. Jews coming back from lunch with Wall Street. You guys are crazy. It's as simple as show up on time and leave with money. Bro, Miguel, fucking tell them. Literally tell them. It's literally as simple as showing up and leaving with money. I'm getting that tatted. Hashtag NLT. Another 100 points. Oh my god, we're not done. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're not done. Keep going. Shit. Points in the bag. Found this live randomly. LOL, gonna start attending front row. Thank you, bro. Well, Nick 82. All I gotta say is this. Or can someone in the chat? Can someone in the chat enlighten my boy Nick 82 on what we do here? Someone enlighten my boy Nick 82 on what we do here. The one thing I want to say, bro, is it's not new. Even though we just Nick 82. Hold NQ at gunpoint. I don't need to do anything. It's doing what we have to. I don't have to point a gun, bro. I don't even have to put the strip up, bro. What, bro? I'm still up. Who's still holding? I'm at work. They put me to move some things, and the whole time I was thinking I'm missing a trade. Fuck, you missed the trade because of that bullshit? Literally walk up to your boss, look him straight in the eyes, and just... and then go on with your day. That's what I would do, personally. I'm joking. We skip bitches and we get money. JK, we only print. Yo, what? You said we skip bitches. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say to that. Luca moves the market. It just does what I say. You just take a little bit. Fuck it, it'll do what you want. Go to your boss and say I could have made more money than you, literally. You should walk up to him just floating blues. Just like holding. You couldn't catch these blues. Fuck ah. Does anyone know if there's a way to take partials on TRADERTV trading futures con? So I asked that same question. My boy Alex kind of helped me, which it had to do with like, you know how on Forex you can technically like buy and sell at the same time. Allegedly on futures you can't do that. So if you're in buys, let's say 5 cons, and then you press sell of like let's say 3 cons, allegedly it'll sell 3 of your cons and leave you with the 2 of the 5. If that makes sense. I'm reporting you again for these longs. That's what I'm saying. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a hold till you tell me to let go, Luca. I'm gonna hold until you let me. I'm gonna hold until you tell me to let go. Just don't let go. Oh god, I need to stop streaming. I'm going to hell. No, I'm kidding. Streams are never ending, guys. I might die on stream. Who knows? One day. I want to get to the point where like I have just a mega mansion, just stream going 24/7. No pool today? No, bro. I teleport. I'm in a new place every single day. You literally won't see me in the same place twice. You know what I'm saying? Tell him what mama didn't raise. I mean, at this point, I feel like everyone should know that, like, when we go to get into the trade, the motto is, like, you could take the trade, or you could second guess and be like, I don't want to take the trade. But if you ever think that, and you ever think in your head, like, I don't want to take this trade, just think in the head, just go, did mama raise a bitch? And if the answer is no, grow a pair and hit that fucking button. Didn't I? You know what I'm saying? Guys, we're literally just long. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. We're just long. You going to do a marathon for trading? I don't know. Marathon sounds tiring. No, I'm down. You going to do a marathon for? Yeah, right now with top songs. 200 points loading. I mean, bro, we're already up 125. 30 days of live trading. That is fucking nuts. You have to be a big streamer for that. I love you all, but I'm not streaming 30 days straight for 100 people. I think he had over 1 million people come. I'll do a 12-hour stream and I'll trade with you guys for like 12 hours. Letting you motherfuckers watch me every day for 30 days. Holy shit. Fuck it. I'm never gonna, never say never. I learned that from Justin Bieber. So. 12-hour stream would be gas. It'd be a lot of money made, for sure. It would for sure be a lot of money made. 1 to 3 is about to hit. When I first joined the mentorship, I had a dream that you hosted a marathon. Well, guess what? It wasn't a dream. It was just it's already happened. You just got a sneak peek beforehand. It's gonna happen in the future. You guys ever have that? Who here in the chat has ever dreamed something that then became true later in the future? Because I've had that happen way too often to think that it doesn't actually happen. There's been a couple of times I've been like, this is a little weird, you know? Me, it's right. I don't know if I have special powers or what, but like, I'll like dream something and then it'll just happen. Yeah, I dreamed I was at work, woke up and went to work. All right, guys, we gotta close it below that trend line. I'm gonna close a little bit more partials. I'm in 0.08. I'm gonna close 0.04. Damn, guys, what a day. I just closed some more partials, chat. I still am a little bit more though. Should we just close full and look for a new trade or something? Have some fun. Where's that gambling? I close more at the highs too. Fire. It's just not being greedy, bro. Like at the end of the day, guys, we're up. Hey, what? Lifetime. Gosh, the only way to make bread is closing. Yeah. Luca is my trade and savior. Guys, we're here to just make money, provide value, and help you guys. If any of you guys have questions about trading, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys can just ask. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you. Oh, all right, guys. I got a question about. And this is me just letting you guys know because all you guys always ask, because it'll just make it easier. When I get into trades, guys, I always am getting on the same broker, the same account. I always am telling you guys, go sign up for the same broker. So when me and Emmett are talking about numbers, I don't know if you guys will ever hear me and Emmett be like, "Oh, my entry's at 0.58, all that type of shit." The reason why some of your guys' stuff is different is because you guys are using different brokerages, a different prop firm, so it's giving you different data. You guys just use the same ones as us. You guys will get the same entries. You guys can use low-key the same fucking lot sizes, the same buy stops, sell stops. So I just sent the link into the chat, and it's on MetaTrader. So for anyone who is trading. They also have demos on there too. So if you guys are on a demo, open the demo with them so that you at least can get the same numbers, right? What do you think of FTMO? They're not allowed in the US anymore, so don't even matter what I think. I just opened one. Which account is better, boss? I like the raw spreads account. I did the no commissions, but what I realized is that if you do indices and not the Forex pair, like Forex, just the commissions are way higher. If you do indices, the commissions are low. So it's like, why not just do the raw spread account where your spreads are better, but then also the commissions are still low? Eric, what's up, bro? Where you been? Picking up from school or what? How much is the mentorship, Luca? Just hop on a Zoom with me, guys. By the way, everyone, you guys can hop on a Zoom with me and we could just talk about if it's a good fit for you or where you are in your journey. You know what I'm saying? There's no strings attached. And you guys want to talk about how, you know, you in? We've been in, bro, since down here. 100, profit a lot, 100 almost 50 pips. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the mentorship, guys, definitely just like DM me because it's cool to come here and like take the trades with me and whatever. But you know, I mean, I'm thinking I'm gonna stream for a while still, but I'm talking years. Like, you guys wanna be able to catch these on your own. Like, why not just come? You guys have seen me win enough. Like, don't you want to come learn how to do this? Wow, this is crazy. That's a lie. There, stream attached. We're attached to these Bahas meetings. Fat W. Cypher, did you catch it? My dog Cypher in the chat. Beast mode. He probably made like $3.6 billion on this play. Guys, look at the hourly too. This is exactly what I thought wouldn't happen, but it did. That's why you gotta not fucking marry your bias. Actually, the 4 hour though. I did say the 4 hour was gonna wick fill. A lot of times, guys, when the 4 hour does things like this, just go back in history. How often is it when you leave a wick like this, it doesn't get filled at some point? It's got a wick fill. Wick Philly. Salva, can you send the link to the Discord too? Steve, are you in? Like, you in making money and shit? What's good? Are you looking for another entry? Yeah, I mean, I might close and look for something else. I'd probably go smaller risk though. What is BEEZY? There's a supply on US 30 about to hit. You think it's coming down? I was low key in my head. I was thinking that same thing. But guys, I'm glad you picked US 30 instead of NASDAQ too. Look how much more it moved. Yes, professor. Bro, just shut up and make money. Sit back, put it in your fucking. Yes, professor. Was in the airplane? Nice. Where were you in the airplane at? You're in Miami? Why is it when I'm in Miami, no one ever wants to kick it? Stay. I feel like that. How was the Giants game? It was fire. Thanks for asking. You guys are awesome. Was for vacation. Nice, Amid. Congrats, bro. If you get to go on vacation, that means that you are doing well, and I'm proud of you. I'm proud of any successful person, even if it's a small thing. That's a win. What are you drinking, Luca? Num num juice. No, I'm kidding. LaCroix. Just made more in 30 minutes, and I will 8 hours on my full time. If that ain't proof in the pudding, I don't know what is. Usually what happens when you trade with NLT though. Just money making. Luke, you miss your college days? Yes, but actually I was going to say happier. I was happy at that time, but just life's so much better now, guys. I have a career I love. I make money. I get to travel around. I mean, it was fun as fuck. Like, if you asked me at that time to redo it, yes. Me at this time, it just sounds tiring. Sounds a little tiring. I was in like, guys, I did the whole like what you guys think like fraternity college life was. I looked at it. But I was glad I got to do it. Everyone's always like, don't go to college because you're not gonna use the degree. Low key, I agree because I don't use my degree, but I still had so much fucking fun. You know what I'm saying? God, what a buy. All right, guys. So like, I'm not opposed to taking another trade. It's just that like, usually we'll catch a scalp. It'll kind of consolidate again. We'll take another breakout. It's just moving in like one direction. What was your major? My major was Coors Light and sun tanning. I'm kidding. I got a degree in media design and technology, and I got a minor in web design. So I already been in the computers and shit. It's about the booze, girls, and keg stands. Like it was for the first 2 years, guys. But you guys gotta understand, my sophomore year is when I found out about trading. My junior year, it's crazy. I could like some of you guys who've been following me for a while. If you guys remember, I posted a couple times like that old college place I lived at. That was a bar. It was above a bar. Guys, I started no limit trading in that shit. I got my first payouts while I was there. I got my first payouts and all that type of stuff when I lived above a bar in a fraternity house. Not just a bar, the number one college bar in America, where people would be blasting music at 6 a.m. for like cleaning. They would open and they'd be open all night and they would blast music till 3 a.m. clean up the crew. Only like three times, like 3 hours a day would the music not be on, fucking shaking the whole shit. And guess what? That's what I became profitable in. Kind of crazy. Those were the times. Sure. What's the difference between US30M and US30R? Use R. If you have a raw spreads account, always use .r. That means that you're using the raw spread. Give us a frat story though. I can tell you the time, like, bro, I was in the dorms, and I'm pretty transparent with you guys about all my shit, so I don't mind telling you guys. This is a funny fucking story. Damn, how do you trade in that? It was crazy. I can show you guys videos, me on a computer, like, it was crazy. So, maybe you should crank somebody to start getting them. I could crank some music in the background, but you guys can really hear it. So, like, I'm pretty transparent with you guys that I smoke or whatever. The only reason that I'm transparent about it is that I don't use it as a bad thing. If I was lazy and it like slowed me down, which like obviously if you do it all day it sucks, but I have like fucking severe ADHD where if I don't chill out, I probably wouldn't get anything done. I would just be racing trying to do 10 things at once. So it chills me out, but whatever. I never smoked in high school. I drank a little bit in high school. I didn't smoke or anything. My freshman year, my freaking person I got in a dorm room with was into smoke and got me into it or whatever. But him and one of my other friends would come into the room and smoke. We were in the dorms. So you're obviously like, who's dumb enough to smoke in the dorms and try and blow out the window? Long story short, like they have like the RAs, like the security guards. I don't know why this came to mind. This is just a funny ass fucking story because I got in trouble for it. One of my friends, I was just with the shits, and my friend basically like my friend and my roommate were like smoking out of the window, and there happened to be some RAs walking by who saw it. So they came to the room and we're like, yo, we saw that, like, you know, like give us what you have or whatever. And I had my friends like thing in there, and then my roommates was way nicer, so I gave them my friends like bomb, and they stole it and were like, we're gonna go like throw this away or whatever. So like I have to tell my friend when he comes back that I was like, bro, like we're fucked. Like they stole your shit. Like we're all fucked. Whatever. Why this turns into a funny story is I ended up like being friends with one of the people who worked at the front, and they're like, oh, they go throw them out in the back trash can or whatever the fuck. And bro, I shit you not, me and my friend at like 1 a.m. went and like broke through this like, oh my god, what was it? It's like a place they throw shit away, and they had it all on video. They had it. It was like the funny. We broke out. Oh my god, it was just the. I don't know why. It was just funny. Like when they finally called us in and like played the video, and they're like, "Did you really like think you're just gonna like do this shit?" I felt like such an idiot. I could have just avoided the whole situation too. I was just down to like go find and whatever. Oh my god, I was so dumb. I almost got kicked out of the dorms for that. Kind of a dumb story, honestly. But if you relived it, you knew it was hilarious. So you keister beer using a beer funnel. Whoa. You've heard of TJR? Yeah, I've heard TJR. You guys still got rocking here. 109. 109, you guys still listen to my stories? All right, I have so many better stories. I don't know why that came to my mind. Because one of my friends who I did it with, his birthday today. So I was thinking about that. We brought it up. I was like, bro, remember we fucking like had to break because we had to break through like this wooden shit to get in. Oh my god, that's so dumb. Dumbest thing. All on video. So funny. Oh, literally just flew. 1 to 4 hit. Handed you guys 191 points. Can you interview Q Banks? You never know, bro. Maybe it already happened. You just don't know. Bro, I just made more sitting down listening to you than my session. Bro, told you. It's not that hard. All you have to do is just listen to the master. Because, like, actually, that sounds so bad. But, like, really? And, guys, by the way, Steve in the chat is you guys have seen on my YouTube and stuff, my coach and my best friend. But, I told him, I was like, bro, if you're not confident taking your own trades yet, I was like, if you really want to make money, I was like, bro, just come take the trades on stream. I was like, bro, just come fucking do it. But we're getting him into trading, guys. He's gonna be the next fucking ICT. He's gonna be the next Bob Elliott. He's the next Bob. Guys, I keep not getting in on the fucking futures account. I don't know why. It's not like on purpose. I think I'm just like so dialed in on my live. When I'm going to get in the trade, I forget to pop over. Okay. Well, let me find out you were a pimp in school. Bro, I could show you guys some old videos. Bro, it's still fucking flying. Like, what are you supposed to do? Nothing. The answer is nothing. You sit there and you just make fuck. Guys, by the way, I'll just show you. Obviously, I'm still in the fucking trade. My runner, 0.04. So let's just do the math. My runner, that's a 0.04, is up $840. So if I would have kept my 0.3, I would have been up stupid. So stupid. I would have been up ridiculous. Bro, why the fuck? I'm so blurry. 200 banger. Can I put in now or not? Nah, it's too late, bro. We're 200 points in profit. Literally 200 points in profit. What the heck? Thought I'm close so early. Well, I told you guys I was only closing partials. All right, guys, can you guys do me a favor? I'd really appreciate it. Tomorrow, guys, I am dropping the podcast with Lambo Raul, and I posted the first reel here. Alex should be salty when we. I mean, bro. Actually, not. Yeah, guys, fucking podcast with Raul was crazy. I love getting to talk to him, so I highly recommend everyone to go watch it. Wow, call out over 200 points. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 200 points was hit. We're up 218 points in profit, guys. Congrats. It really just trended. This is why I've been enjoying indices. Not playing no funny bullshit. So comment, show love to the boy. Come on now. We're slowly decreasing. All right, guys, 71 likes. Let's see if like 30 of you guys are some real ones. And go and hit it. That like button. What else you trade other than indices? Like gold and GJ. About it. Gold, GJ, and then NASDAQ, US 30, JR 30. Brilliant. What time zones do you trade indices? Only 11 a.m. Low key, yes, because I just have not been waking up for New York, and I also just don't like New York for some reason, guys. Like I just fucking don't forget DAX. I said JR 30. JR 30 is DAX. I love it. Yeah, for some reason, I think like New York can be fire if it on those trending days. Like if you like today or yesterday, like this is a really easy fucking trend. But if you don't catch the trend, first off, you probably got faked out and you're fucked. Second off, it usually will just trend like this where it's like, where are you supposed to get back in? You know what I'm saying? Bro, it's still going. They're literally pumping the market right now. Why 11 a.m. is it because of volume? Yeah, so volume's technically slower than obviously the New York session, but I like it because it's less fake outs. And then on top of it, the whole concept behind why I trade this time is that from 9:30 a.m. Eastern to like 11, everyone fucking, or like 12, everyone will go. All those stock traders will um, go to their lunch breaks, call each other, talk about the freaking moves. Yo, did you hear about blah blah blah? Let's short the shit out of this. Or yo, did you hear that they were shorting this many? Dude, let's take that liquidity. Let's fucking buy the fuck out of it. So after lunch, they come back, and around 11 a.m., I start seeing more volume because they start talking, and then we get in for little pumps like this. Like Warren Buffett texted me to get in. Like I was trying to short, and then he texted me because he was on the stream, and Warren was like, "Yo, bro, long," and I was like, "Oh shit, all right, whatever you say, Buffett." Oh, we caught this whole retracement. It's so nice. You ever visit Germany? Let me know. You'll be my guest for sure. Awesome. I love Germany. I've been a couple times. Oh wait, I guess that layovers. New York Forex is literally sweep London and you're in reverse opposite high. I wish it was that easy because I do have. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have videos about that. I think what happens more often is London sweeps Asia, and those are the good moves. Andre Diaz told me that. Andre. Frankfurt, exactly. Let him know. Me and Steve, Frankfurt, Germany. Which place have you been to? Yeah, no, I completely like lied a second ago when I said I've been to Germany. I've like landed there like 3 or 4 times. I never left the airport, so that's not really going there. But I've landed in Frankfurt. I've landed in Munich, and I've landed in. You have to name another one. Vlakasundberg, that one. No, that's kind of rude. I love Germans. I don't know. Like I feel bad. I mean, not bad, but like guys, like I would be down to take another trade, but it's like, what the fuck do you want me to trade right now? How old are you, Luca? Turned 25. Turned 20. I turned 25. It's one of the biggest cities in Germany. Is what? Oh, Dusseldorf. I think that I've heard Dusseldorf. I don't think that's what it's midlife crisis. I hope 25 is not midlife. Yeah, quarter life. There we go. Quarter life crisis. I was like midlife. I was like, I hope I make it past 50, brother. What age you become profitable? Like 22. 22 is when I first started making money. I'm 23. And then 24, I fucking spent it all. Now 25, I'm getting it back. Do you celebrate or anything? I mean, I kind of celebrated when I first got my first payout, but I didn't really celebrate when I like became consistently profitable because everyone always thinks that like they ask like, oh, when did it like click? I was like, it's not just like one click. You have to like be consistent for a while, and you're just like, oh shit, I've just been consistently making money without losing it. And you buy a Porsche. The Porsche was like I always wanted a Porsche. The Porsche is pretty cool. Y'all know I like watches and what. Buy a motorbike maybe. I don't know. I kind of just value my life. You know, yeah, trying to be like appreciate it in the mid. Guys, you guys can all fucking do this. Real, it's like accumulation and then time that makes it click exactly. Luca, you saved my life. Luca, you saved my baby. Luca, you saved my cat from a burning house. Luca, my dog was in a tree and you saved it. Nobody buy a motorcycle. Surgeon I used to know said worst stuff he ever saw was most. Yeah, I know. It's fucking insane. Luca, do you know Italian? I can understand more than I can speak. Luca cured me of my depression. Did I miss this awesome trade? Yeah, we're 200. We're 210 points in profit. Psh, love my bike. I know. I know, bro. It's fun. It's very fun. Trust me. I don't hate on it. The adrenaline rush is second to none. But the funeral's not. It's worth the risk to get a bike. Like, let me get a Ferrari. Let me get a Ferrari. All right, chat. We're gonna start accumulating here. I'm gonna close a little bit more, and the rest is for sure going to be go here. Yeah, we'll go here. I'm still in 0.04. I'm gonna close 0.02, guys. I got 0.02 running. I can give two shits about 0.02. Nothing. It is a lot of fun. So let's check out. So I can kind of go over it with you guys real quick. So recap. So being in here, guys. You guys look at my account. Still in the trade. Loading a little bit. Keep going from like 400 to 460, whatever. Right here. I mean 360. Go over to history and then click today. See? 1614 with 400 still running. Oh my god, look at this shit. I fucked up my face. That's why I like this year. Fuck. No more zoom in. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, facial. You got an 80% chance of walking away that is highly profitable in trading terms. Wait, 80% chance of walking away. But like my thing is this is that I like let's just say not death, right? You still are gonna get so fucked up. Like it's just really rare you fall off one of those and you're like, oh shit, I'm fine. Like I think the term walk away is kind of like I wouldn't use that term. You don't really just walk away. You either limp away or in a wheelchair. Would it be better to start a fund or go live? I don't have a lot of capital. It's such a good question. I think like not a lot of capital. Obviously, that's why prop firms exist. But I really think it has to do with the skill set because I think that like if you were to just come to these streams and take the trades here with us and whatnot, I would say just to go live and accumulate little amounts of money. Like maybe come open up $100 or $1,000 account, take the trades here, and then once you make enough to buy a prop firm challenge, that means you're profitable and use that money to go buy a prop firm. I'd probably do. If you need a broker, here's the broker. Guys, same one I'm using. So easy. Same withdrawals, deposits, same entries. Advice to pass 10K FTMO funded. Bro, you just come to the streams. I'll do it for you. No, I'm kidding. I mean, bro, my thing is like risk reward. Should I get out? Yeah, Steve, close some partials. I don't know if you know how to close partials. But yeah, maybe close, bro, and fucking send me a screenshot of how much you made. And if you don't know how to close partials, I'll show you after you can FaceTime me, I'll show you. For prop firms, guys, I really think it's about having really good risk management. Like having really, really like consistent losses and small losses and holding your winners bigger. That's the name of prop firms. When I open a live account on Gates, what kind of account do I open? I recommend open up a raw spread account. You know what I'm saying? So, what up, Sai? My boy. Dude, I'm excited to see you. I was just talking to fucking Ollie about when you're coming to LA and shit. We all want to do something. I said that we probably do a pod or something. It'd be sick. Sai could have pre-promotion. Top songs. I remember when I was freaking shit at trading and Lucas saved me. Appreciate that. I hope he does. I'm here to save the world. They call me Superman. He's got a lot to say. Guys, W's in the chat. If you guys want me to do a podcast with Sai, we got to get him on. He's coming out to LA. Even if he thinks that he's, he could not answer my phone or a text, and I'm gonna find him in LA, my city. No, I'm kidding. 20 million since the last podcast, bro. Let's we got a lot to talk about. We got a lot to talk about. Guys, I want to do it. Sidepod, yep. Not going to stop trading for a bit, make some money, and then I need. Sai, I'm down, bro. I'm super excited for you to come. Let's do it. We can do it. Ooh. Sai is shining. Nah. That's my guy. Me and Sai hung out. What do you guys think? Not just like linked up once or twice. We like stayed for a couple days together and shit. Then he turned into Batman, and I don't know what happened. I haven't cracked where the bat cave is, so. My team is setting things up. What day we say again? You said that you're coming on the you said you were coming like the, what day did you say? You said it was the 15th or 14th or something. So I'll just be there, bro. Like, you just let me know. I'll do it. I'm gonna buy 100K and take only power hour trades from you and Emma and see how much I can cash out. I've been saying it. I think you guys should do it on a live account. Truthfully, because yes, you guys should probably pass the prop firm, but bro, like, it's so nice to like do a whole week with us, run up your account, withdraw it all, and then start fresh. And then guess what? We just fucking run it up the next week again. It just doesn't end. I'm getting a new back cave. You're definitely buy it. Hell yeah. I can't wait, bro. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Bro, we caught 200 points on US 30. 200, like 15 points. I'm just chilling now. I closed majority of my position. Just chilling with the gang now. What time do you go live? I go live at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 2 p.m. But hold. I'm still in. I'm holding. We'll see. Luke, when I get the $1,000 in the lock in the line, let's go. So easy. Guys, we need Sai back on the stream. Sai, if you want to come tomorrow, I'll be live again. Of course. Let me know. I have like 7 months following you. Hell yeah, bro. All right, well, EMMITT, I have a question for you. After following me for 7 months, seeing the live streams and stuff, are you confident enough to get an account and trade? Like, do you think I've proved it to you? Is my question. Oh man, can't wait till Lucas steps into swing trading. Nah, I don't know how to. That's a whole other. I don't even know how to. Don't get me started. Get Luke in the swing trading. I'm glad we got on that trade, guys. There would have been like fucking no opportunity to get in again. Yes, by the way, I'm 17 years old. What the fuck? For some reason, I thought you were older, bro. Oh yeah. Congrats, killing it. Hey, you were just in Miami, running around, 17 years old. Crazy. Good shit, bro. Still got like 90 of you guys here. I appreciate you guys all coming, guys. Let's see if we can get to 90 likes, right? 83 likes. Pump it up to 90 likes. I want to take a second. What's going on, Luca? I joined kind of late. Do you mind giving a rundown on why you took the trade and what you were looking for to enter? Yeah, I got you, Nino. My boy, I got you. Sorry, I didn't see that. I'd be down to take a second trade. It's just there's no really opportunities. All right, so going to the hourly chat, coming into the morning, I originally thought, especially with NASDAQ, US 30, whatever, every time we made a high, it's just a lower high to make a low, lower high to make a low, lower high to make a low. We had this big rally up that broke structure, and then we retraced down where I originally thought if we came into like the 515, this low right here was actually the hourly open right here. Opened up, and we created a top wick where I said if we came up and took out this high and then reversed to break structure below, I would get into the sells. But instead, we rallied up, consolidated. I waited for the 15-minute open, 15.5 all the way in here. Right when this 15-minute opened up, made a bottom wick or whatever, into this bitch. And that was kind of it. You know, just being a scalper, you got to be aware. And I was saying this earlier is that, like, if I would have kept my sell bias, you know, to start the day, I would have missed out on so much profit. So it's got to be able to, like, you know, look at it, identify, see what's going on, you know, all that. Hey, Luke, what type of type in what leverage do you recommend for the broker you use? 1 to 500, and then do the raw spreads account if you're going to be scalping with us. Raw spread means that, like, guys, the spreads on it are fucking fire. You guys will see. But, like, the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. And sometimes when you enter, that's why you enter and you're, like, in big drawdown. With this broker, you'll see with the raw spread account, 1 to 500 is treacherous. It doesn't really matter because you don't have to use it. That's what people don't understand. People think that if you have 1 to 100 leverage and that you switch to 1 to 500, that means that you have to, like, 5 times less your lot size. It's actually not true. It just means that you can borrow more leverage if you want to. But you can treat it the exact same as a 1 to 100, if you guys didn't know that. I sometimes feel like I'm struggling with my bias in all these strategies. Yeah. Yeah. Analysis paralysis, bro. What am I talking about? Just open a demo. This is a sick broker. Awesome, bro. I'm glad you like it. The broker's dope, bro. That's why, like, I'm not here just trying to get you guys to sign up for no fucking reason. I've been using them for months. Solid. I really liked it. Better than any ones I've used. And they're on MetaTrader. Why the fuck would I tell you guys about it? Luca, jump in the pool again? Bro, I told you I teleported. I'm literally not where the pool is. Or else I would. I teleport too often. In your opinion, is break a structure better entry or retest? I think retest. I think the retest is always high probability. Spread account, yeah, I just think so. The no commission's good, but if you're gonna be scalping with us, having no spread is just so gangster. And the commissions are low on indices. If we were trading forex pairs, I'd probably do the no commission. But because we're doing indices, easy. My pug and I watching your stream together. Say what's up to your pug. I honestly like the way you and Emmett trade. Yeah, Nino, DM me, bro, because I'm not gonna lie. I know what you're. Just DM me on either Discord or Instagram right now, and I'll send you like a voice note. All right, guys, we're retracing right here. I closed a majority up in here. That was actually perfect. Stop shot break even, easy. Thanks, bro. And when entering a retest, you always think stop loss is better at previous structure. I would mark up the whole zone that it's in and have it below 50% of the range, at least. If not, then below the whole structure. That's kind of how I like to keep it. But guys, I'm out of here. I appreciate you all so much. What a fire stream, guys. You got 220 points. And all that. Hey, look, did you notice the girl behind you? Yeah, bro, that's my. No, she just appeared. She was a stream sniper. She's a stream sniper. Yeah, and then anyone who's also interested in the mentorship, guys, DM me on Instagram. We could figure something out. We could hop on a Zoom and even see if it's a good fit, guys. It costs $0 just to talk. If you don't want it, then whatever. I'm not going to hear fucking forcing you to do it. Makes 0 sense for me. Really to help you guys. So if you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram. Go comment on that new Lambo Raul reel. And stay tuned for the podcast tomorrow with him, guys. Please go watch and show some love. Appreciate you all. You guys are all the best. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, gang. I'm out of here. Do you ever send any messages first to anybody? No. Guys, I do not send any messages. Those are all fake ones. I'll respond if you DM me, but if I DM you asking for an opportunity or whatever, guys, send them fucking 2 middle fingers. Wait, let's hide you out. Like, come on tomorrow. Those messages are fake outs, exactly. You keep spelling it like massages, and I want a massage. Get it. I told them to send me 3 ETH. That's awesome. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all. W stream. We'll be back tomorrow. On stream to catch more bangers. 200 points. Guys, if you guys made profits, join the Discord in the description. Post the winnings in there. Tag me on Instagram. Go comment on the new post. Love you guys. See you on the next one.